Bitcoin has reached unimaginable heights. Nvidia is leading the technological revolution. What about gold? Since 2020, it has lost its luster as a safe investment. Why? What's changed? The rise of cryptocurrencies and tech stocks has challenged gold's reign. Let's explore how and why this happened. Bitcoin's institutional adoption has changed the game. Major companies and investment funds are now betting heavily on cryptocurrency. This brought a legitimacy never seen before. What makes Bitcoin so attractive despite its extreme volatility? What about Nvidia? Its constant innovation in artificial intelligence and computer graphics is revolutionizing the market. How did it manage to dominate the tech sector? Gold, on the other hand, faces an identity crisis. Historically a safe haven, it now appears static in the face of new investment options. What caused this drastic change in the perception of gold? Let's unravel the impact of monetary policies and changes in the financial market that have reshaped investor preferences. Every detail can transform your view on where to invest. Stay tuned. What brought Bitcoin to the top of investing? Since 2020, Bitcoin has transformed from a digital curiosity into one of the most desired assets for investors. What drove this meteoric rise? Growing institutional interest played a crucial role. Major companies and investment funds have started buying Bitcoin, legitimizing the cryptocurrency as a viable alternative to traditional assets. The digital gold narrative captured the public's imagination, fueling a demand that seemed insatiable. Blockchain technology, which underpins Bitcoin, has also piqued the interest of many. It offers transparency, security, and decentralization, characteristics that investors value in an increasingly digital world. In addition, Bitcoin's limited supply, with a maximum of 21 million coins, creates an artificial scarcity that tends to increase in value over time. The potential for appreciation is immense, but it doesn't come without risk. Bitcoin's volatility can turn gains into losses in a matter of days or even hours. But why do investors accept these risks? The answer lies in the potential return. Bitcoin, despite its volatility, has offered returns that far surpass most traditional assets. For many, the possibility of high profits justifies the high risks. The promise of benefiting from a global financial revolution is tempting. This appeal, combined with the increasing use of cryptocurrencies in everyday transactions, has further strengthened Bitcoin's position as a top investment choice since 2020. Why did Nvidia become a star in the stock market? Nvidia has long dominated the tech sector, but what has driven its stratospheric success? During the pandemic, the demand for GPUs skyrocketed. High-performance computers have become essential with the rise of remote work and digital entertainment. Nvidia, with its continuous innovations, was perfectly positioned to meet this explosive demand. Its shares not only survived, but thrived, becoming a mainstay in the tech market. The company didn't just limit itself to GPUs. It has expanded its frontiers into artificial intelligence, data centers, and autonomous vehicles. Each of these sectors has tremendous growth potential. Nvidia not only recognized these opportunities, but invested heavily in them. Its chips now power some of the most advanced artificial intelligence and most efficient data centers in the world. This product diversification has not only protected Nvidia against market fluctuations, but also positioned it as a leader in multiple technological fields. In addition, Nvidia's strategic management has played a crucial role in its success. Partnerships with tech giants, strategic acquisitions, and a relentless focus on innovation have kept the company at the forefront. Nvidia isn't just a chip maker. It's a company shaping the future of technology. For investors, this means an opportunity to be on the front lines of a technological revolution. This potential for continued growth and Nvidia's dominant position in the market have made it one of the brightest stars in the stock market since 2020. How did gold lose its safe investment status? Gold has always been seen as a safe haven in times of crisis. But since 2020, that perception has changed. What caused this transformation? The answer lies in changing investor preferences. The arrival of new assets, such as Bitcoin, and the robust performance of tech stocks, such as Nvidia, have diverted attention away from gold. Investors began to seek higher returns, even if it meant taking on greater risks. Gold's stability, which was once an advantage, has come to be seen as a limitation. The global economy has also played a role in dimming gold's luster. Expansive monetary policies and fiscal stimulus have flooded the market with liquidity. With interest rates close to zero, investors sought alternatives that offered better returns. Bitcoin and tech stocks stood out as more attractive options. In addition, the realization that the technology can offer a hedge against inflation similar to gold, but with greater potential for appreciation, has reinforced this trend. Another significant factor was the change in the security narrative. Traditionally, gold was seen as a hedge against economic uncertainty. However, the growing reliance on digital and technological assets has challenged this narrative. Bitcoin, with its limited supply and growing acceptance, began to be seen as a new form of digital gold. Nvidia, with its central role in the technological revolution, offered a promise of continued growth. In contrast, gold seemed static, unable to keep up with the speed of changes in the financial market. What makes Bitcoin a risky but attractive investment? Bitcoin's volatility is undeniable. But why do so many investors keep betting on it? The answer lies in profit potential. Since 2020, Bitcoin's value has experienced dramatic peaks and valleys, but the overall trend has been upward. This move has attracted investors willing to take a risk. The prospect of quick and significant profits is a powerful draw. In addition, the increasing adoption of Bitcoin in commercial transactions and by major financial institutions has increased its credibility. The technology behind Bitcoin, the blockchain, offers a level of transparency and security that many investors find valuable. Each transaction is recorded on a public, immutable ledger, which reduces the risk of fraud. Additionally, Bitcoin's decentralized nature means that it is not subject to the control of any government or financial institution. This makes it an attractive option for those who are wary of the traditional financial system. For investors, Bitcoin's appeal goes beyond profit potential. It represents a new way of thinking about money and investments. Decentralization and limited supply create a sense of scarcity and intrinsic value. Many see Bitcoin as the future of finance, an asset that could revolutionize the way we think about money. This philosophical appeal, combined with the potential for high returns, continues to attract investors despite significant risks. How is Nvidia leading the technological revolution? Nvidia isn't just a chip maker. The company is at the forefront of the technological revolution, driving advances in artificial intelligence, computer graphics, and more. Since 2020, demand for these technologies has skyrocketed. Nvidia was perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. Its GPUs are now essential for everything from high-performance gaming to advanced scientific research. Nvidia's continuous innovation has kept it in the lead. The company has also expanded its operations to include data centers and autonomous vehicles, areas with huge growth potential. Data centers, for example, are central to the modern digital economy. Nvidia is providing the chips that power those data centers. Similarly, autonomous vehicles represent the future of transportation. Nvidia is at the forefront with its advanced AI technologies. This product diversification not only protects Nvidia against market fluctuations, but also positions it as a leader in multiple technological fields. Nvidia's strategic management has also played a crucial role in its success. Partnerships with tech giants, strategic acquisitions, and a relentless focus on innovation have kept the company at the forefront. For investors, this means an opportunity to be on the front lines of a technological revolution. Nvidia isn't just a chip maker. It's a company shaping the future of technology. This potential for continued growth and Nvidia's dominant position in the market have made it one of the brightest stars in the stock market since 2020. Bitcoin continues to defy expectations. Nvidia is revolutionizing technology, and gold struggles to maintain its status. What does this mean for the future of investing? The choice between these assets can set the course of your finances. Why has gold, which has always been seen as a safe haven, lost its luster? And how did Bitcoin and Nvidia manage to capture investors' attention? Bitcoin's volatility is scary, but it's also fascinating. How can it continue to rise despite the risks? Nvidia, with its constant innovations, is shaping the future of technology. What's next for this industry giant? What about gold? Can he regain his place of prominence, or is it destined to take a backseat? Every investment decision brings its own questions and uncertainties. What will be the next big change in the financial market? How can you prepare to seize opportunities and mitigate risks? Stay aware of trends, stay informed, and keep exploring these issues. The future of investing is constantly evolving.